Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 4 secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 16 secant of t square. 16. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. ds, you got about 4 secant of t tan t dt. First derivative of secant of t, you got about this one. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one you got about 16 secant of t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one you got about tan t square. The square root of number 16 tan t square, you got about 4 tan t. 4 tan t, we simplify. This one you got about 64 secant of t to the power of 3. We put number 64 go outside. Secant of t to the power of 3 with secant of t, you got about secant of t to the power of 4. So this one we can put about secant of t square. Next, secant of t square we can change into tan t square plus 1 multiplied by secant of t square. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to tan t. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about secant of t square dt. This one you got about z square. This one you got about dz. And now the integration of z square, you got about z to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, you got about z, and we put about c. About z, that's about tan t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And we got about t equals to secant of s over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.